So what's up guys, today we have here the SIG SAUER M17. I know guys, Shogun's a bit late with it, but it's here now, so let's check them out. And it's here, the SIG Air M17. So let's check what's inside. Of course, the gun. In the box, there's a adjustment tool for your hop up, the Allen key, the CO2 magazine, the gun, and of course the manual, and nothing else. But talking about the box, it's very well made, very nice. I like how the box looks like. Before we go to the gun, let's check how SIG did the manual. Have some warning here and show how to insert your CO2 cartridge or your green gas, and some standard thing that you can see. How to insert the BBs, and yep, that's it. But then show you how to adjust the hop up at all. So that's the thing. Okay, let's check the magazine. Magazine is very nice. It says in the manual when I go down here it should lock, but it doesn't do that. And further, very nice 21 round magazine, and the gun itself. The bag, you have the Allen key, and of course the adjustment tool for your hop up. How to adjust your hop up is to rag the slide, lock it to the rear with the slide catch, and then you can insert this thing here. Counterclockwise means less hop, and clockwise means more hop. Okay guys, more hop, less hop, more hop, less hop. So, and of course if you want to do that the old school way, you can rag the slide at the rear, lock it at the rear, take down the lever, pull down the lever, the slide will go off, then you can adjust your hop up. Or if you don't need the tool to adjust your hopper, just do it with your hand. So, gun feels very nice. Like the feeling of it. I think that's why the American military adapt this one. Feels very good. Controls are very smooth. Black controls. Both sides. MB on the safety. MB slide catch and slide release. And the thing also, the magazine release is reversible, so you can put it in this side. Also on the magazine you can see both sides have a mag catch point here. So, and if you see here, SIG SAUER of SIG Air did very well. If you can also take out the trigger pack of this SIG, and this feels like the real one. So if you can find another frame for a airsoft version of this, why not? Why not swap it if you like? And let's go back to the gun. Okay, but also the sights are very nice. They're big. On the rear you can see here how big it is, and in the front. So side picture is very nice. The side picture is very nice. Like it. Let's feel how the trigger feels like. Very short. Very short trigger response. I don't know how the real one feels like, but I never shot the real one. But airsoft version is good. And the reset is very short. There's it. So, and the wall as well. So feeling the wall of the gun is like an inch, less than an inch travel, and then it's already the wall. And then putting it back, there's a click, and that's the wall. So the reset is very short, and the trigger response very nice. That's the thing for this thing. So guys, let's start the gun and let's see how to insert the CO2 cartridge here. Safety first. To insert your cartridge on your magazine is to insert like this, then it will fall in. It can never happen that it will go like this. So from the bottom to the top. And the travel is very short. That's it. Then the CO2 is inserted. So let's try how it feels. Very strong recoil. Love it. Wow, nice. Feels good. And by the way guys, the gun is green gas ready. So if you want a green gas magazine, you can also purchase one, and it's ready to use. So let's go to the chrono test and let's shoot the gun. 17 of the SIG SAUER M17 with the CO2 cartridge and 0.3 BBs. And the shooting test. So with 0.3 BBs and 10 meter distance. Let's try. Let's see if I'm good with shooting. Strange. Sometimes I feel a very hard kick and then no power. Hard kick, low kick. Empty. let's check the result. And the result. The grouping is 21 rounds, but I hit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of it. I'm a worse shooter at this distance. And we're back, guys. So the gun functions perfectly, but sometimes when I shoot the gun and you feel like a very hard kick, and then it feels like don't have any kick anymore. Very strange, but for the gun it's very nice. Thing is, I don't like the control of the slide catch and slide release. It feels very small because I'm hitting the safety lever, but or else I need to do it with my left hand instead of my right. But not bad. Feels nice, and even my hands feels nice. Don't feels big at all. And guys, if you don't want a CO2 magazine, Shogun doesn't have it yet, the green gas magazine. So guys, check online where you can find it. But Shogun have this now, the SIG SAUER M17 from SIG Air, made by VFC. Comment down below what you think about this gun. Feels good. Good trigger. Feels nice. See, even the sights is okay. Bit big, but not bad. I can live with it. Should I choose this than the Glock? Yeah, why not? Feels good. Only the color I don't like. I like it black. But who cares? The SIG SAUER M17 or the P320 is here. Guys, check www.shogun.nl or check the link down below, and do not forget to subscribe. Check them out. The SIG SAUER at Shogun. Oh yeah, by the way, the gun shoots very hot, guys. 1.7 joules or over 400 FPS with 0.2 BBs. So guys, before you take it with you into the gameplay, check first. Chrono your gun first before you bring it with you. Especially if you have the CO2 one version. The green gas, no problem. There's no problem with it, but with the CO2, shoots very hot. So guys, thank you for watching. See you at the next video.